Hi guys, it's Nunu and we are here in home, which for us acts as a bulletin board to our classroom. And I usually have on our bulletin board a window motif, the symbolism there that writing is like looking through a window at somebody's life, crawling through that window. But I decided this week to put photographs here. So I have a photograph of Curtis Sittenfeld, who of course is a woman, not a man. She goes by a middle name and a last name. So she does sound like she's a man if you are not aware she's a woman. So that's a natural mistake to make. No worries. And here, of course, we have the incomparable Joyce Carol Oates. And this is a photograph of what she looks like a few years ago. She's in her 80s now. All right, so let's go ahead and let's click on week 8. And our discussion is right here. Sittenfeld's and Oates' lessons about writing, 60 points. And we're going to deal a lot with irony, what these two writers have to teach us about irony. So we're going to think about it consciously as a literary device. Okay, so there are lots of links in this discussion. If you can't make any of the links work, or if you have any problems, I'm over here in inbox. Never hesitate to message me, and please remember that I'm active in discussions. I love to read what you write, and I like to comment on what you write. I don't want you to think you're typing something in a discussion. You're really sharing your thoughts. You're doing a lot of hard work, and nobody's listening. I'm listening, and so are the other writers in this class. Okay, so let's go back to our bulletin board. Back to home. Let's look at these intriguing dark-eyed ladies who are such great writers. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox, and let's have a great week.